Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to log into your Netspend prepaid account online, specifically through the Netspend All Access portal. Whether you're managing your finances or keeping track of transactions, Netspend makes it convenient for you. So let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Netspend All Access website. Once you're on the login page, you'll see two blank fields, one for your username and the other for your password. Remember, your username and password are case sensitive, so make sure to enter them exactly as you did during registration. After clicking login, you'll be directed to your Netspend All Access account dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and manage your settings. And there you have it. Login into your Netspend prepaid account online is quick and easy with the Netspend All Access portal. Now you can conveniently manage your finances anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next.